Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Christine. I will list all my socials down below. Now today we will be doing another video of a brand I haven't heard before and I want to try out. This is the Spoiled Cosmetics brand in collaboration with Nicole. I did purchase this palette, so we're gonna dive right in. Obviously, I already created the look, so you will see how I created this look, what I think of the product. Please don't forget to enter my giveaway if you haven't already. It is in the ColourPop Hocus Pocus video. So if you guys haven't seen that, I will link it up above. Enter the giveaway. You have till the 25th, so you still have time. I am giving a palette out to 2 winners, so hopefully you guys will win. With that being said, let's just get on with the video and let's create this look. Okay guys, so this is actually my second video of finding a makeup company that I've never heard before and creating a look with one of their products or a few of their products. If you haven't seen the first video, I will link it up above. But this makeup company is called Spoiled Lips. Now they collaborated with an influencer by the name of Nicole. I have seen a few of her looks on Instagram and maybe a few on Facebook, but she's well known for like Halloween type looks. I think it's pretty awesome that she collaborated with a makeup company and made like a little Halloween palette. So this is the front of it. I think it's really cute. It actually looks like her. And of course, I will link everything down below. Let's open this unicarton up. Now in the back of the unicarton, just to let you guys know, it does have the ingredients, which is really good. It says it's made in China and there is a shelf life of 24 months. It's cruelty free. It's actually vegan and you can recycle it, which is awesome. I did get a little coupon with my package. It says spoiled bucks, which is really cute. Thank you for waiting. It did take a little while for me to receive the palette from when I ordered it. I will leave the dates on here because I can't remember off the top of my head, but it did take a little while to receive it. So that was really cute that they sent like a little coupon. This is $5. And it says, thanks for waiting, which is nice. Now opening the palette up, this is what the actual palette looks like. I think it's really, really cute. And in the back, Spoiled Cosmetics x Nicole. Inside, it does have that plastic slip to protect the eyeshadows. And it has a mirror, which is really cute. I like the mirror. And these are the colors. I definitely like the color story of this palette. I think it's really cute for Halloween and fall. So we're gonna create a look with this. I don't have any products on my face besides moisturizer. I am breaking out a little bit because I've been doing quite a few Halloween looks. If you haven't checked those out, I have them on my Instagram. My Instagram will be down below, but Halloween, you guys know, is my favorite. So I get super creative around the end of September to the beginning of November. And that's when I really like to create more looks. But let's pull you guys closer so we can start on an eye look. Okay, so now that you guys are pulled a little closer, what we're going to do is we're going to start on a look. All right, so maybe I want to dip into the purples. The purples are like calling my name. So what we're going to start with is Ghoulish, which is this shade up here. I'm gonna grab a fluffy brush. Now in terms of kickback, just so you guys can see, that is what it looks like. Which to me is pretty normal, pretty standard, nothing crazy. I'm depositing the color above my crease. If you have hooded eyes, this would be your best bet. You don't want anything exactly on your crease or below, only because while your eyes are open, no one will be able to see it. I'm just doing swiping motions back and forth with my brush, and you guys can see it's super pigmented. I do like to take a little bit at a time, so you'll see me randomly dipping. It's because I take a little bit at a time. I literally just do this too. So it's literally just tap it. I feel like you have more control over the color deposited when you do it this way. Just my opinion. And this purple is really pretty. It is showing up to me a little bit pink, like a pink purple. But that is okay. I don't mind it at all. Now that we've used that color, I want to deepen that up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip into Haunted House, which is the darker purple down here. And I'm just deepening that crease. And to blend those two colors, I'm going to take my previous brush and just fuse those two colors together with no extra product on it. I want to check out that black, so I'm going to dip into Cobweb, which is the black here in the palette. I'm really happy that they chose to put a black in the palette. Besides the fact that I feel like every eyeshadow palette should have a black, especially for a Halloween palette. And when you're dealing with colors, you want to have something to kind of smoke it out. So I'm putting it just under the previous shade, which was Haunted House. Now with black, you have to be really careful because it can get muddy really fast and mess up your eye look. So again, I'm just taking a little bit at a time and being very delicate with it. It is showing up like a charcoal gray, but I'm assuming because I put it on top of the purple. So, which honestly, I don't mind because that's kind of what I wanted for this eye look. So I'm going back in with Haunted House, which is that deeper set purple, and going in with the same brush that I used for that purple. And what I'm doing is I'm going to deposit more of that color in, just in case it dissipated with the black. So this is what we have so far. We do have quite a bit of fallout, just to let you guys know if you guys are cringy about fallout. It doesn't bother me at all. That is the reason why I apply my eyeshadow before my foundation. So what I really want to do is I want to do the same thing to the other eye and cut both of their creases, and then I will be right back. Okay, so now that we are back, both of the eyes are halfway done. Their creases are cut. Let's continue. I'm gonna grab a flat brush and I'm gonna take the color, I'm gonna take the shade Zombie, which is the green here. And since I have a sticky base, I'm going to use patting motions. So that is the green on there. What we're going to do is I'm going to apply my complexion products, maybe apply some black liner. Since it's not from the brand, I figure I do it off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we are back and we're extra. I mean, it's the Halloween month, why not? So what did I use in the palette? Of course, anything listed not on this brand that I did use, I will list it down below. But in terms of what I used for this palette, I did use a little bit of Ghost, which is the white shade in the inner corner just to brighten it up. And I used the purples for the bottom lash line along with the black, the cobweb here. This is what I came up with. I decided to be a little extra because why not, you know? And in general, makeup is a form of expression and art to me. So what do I think of this palette? So the palette I think is really cute. I love the packaging. It's so adorable. It does have a nice little weight to it. It's not super heavy, but it's not super light. You can tell they took their time in terms of designing the palette itself. I love the little attention to details. It looks like a little book. So adorable. I think this is a really cute collaboration. Did I have any problems with blendability? No, I did not. I did use, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades out of the whole palette. And I actually did use some of these highlighter shades. I put them on the side here. Everything performed well. The ghoulish shade, which is that light shade, the light purple, it did appear a little like a purple pink on my lid. It could be the base that I used. I did apply some concealer for the base. Or it could be the color of my lids causing the slight change in color. Whatever the situation, I didn't mind it at all. I created a perfect look with it. I think it's really cute. It's really cute for October. If you're going out for a little party. I really like this palette, to be honest. I was pleasantly surprised. Again, I will give you guys the full rundown down below where to purchase this palette. I think currently it is sold out, but I'm sure they will restock at some point. And I'm sure they have plenty other items. This I just happened to purchase because I know the influencer. I've followed her for a little while. But I'm sure, according to this, that they have plenty other products that are really awesome. Again, I encourage you guys to step out of your comfort zone, try on colors that you haven't tried before. Makeup is all about fun, expression, art. So just enjoy yourself. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.